Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your vocabulary growth with Memrise detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Memrise app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the home screen and available courses. Navigate to the Discover tab to browse through various language courses. Select a language you wish to learn or improve your vocabulary in. Once you've chosen a course, review the course description and choose your preferred level. Begin your first lesson by tapping on the Start button. As you progress through the lesson, pay attention to the vocabulary words introduced. Memrise employs spaced repetition, so take note of how it schedules words for review. Engage with each word by using audio and visual aids provided in the app. After completing a lesson, revisit the dashboard to track your progress and daily goals. To reinforce your learning, regularly practice words you find challenging. Utilize the Learn feature to deepen your understanding of new vocabulary. Participate in the app's community by joining discussions or contributing to courses. Make use of the listening skills section to improve your pronunciation and comprehension. Set daily reminders in the app to encourage consistent study habits. Explore additional features such as games and quizzes to test your vocabulary. Regularly review your word lists to reinforce retention and recall. Finally, keep a personal journal of new words and their meanings to track your vocabulary growth over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.